Hi guys, D here with Unapologetic Instructors. I've been asked a lot, how do I keep my truck so clean? Even though I train students. I'm usually training about 4 students at a time. So for me, it's very essential to keep my truck clean. Health. That's probably one of the biggest things out here. Being a driver, we go from place to place. We go all over the world. Better yet, all over the country. Staying healthy is a key essential into making sure you can do your job properly. I choose to use a steam cleaner because, number one, it disinfects and cleans at the same time. It's a lot easier, it's a lot quicker. It's also a lot sterile. So, rather than explaining all this to you, why don't I just take you on a little journey, take you on a cleaning tour, how I keep myself clean. Okay, so hopefully you're getting the drift. Just simply systematically take your time, go around the entire inside of your truck until it's clean. Remember, I choose to use the steam cleaner because it saves money and time. It's practical. It's probably one of the best things going on out there. I got tipped off from a buddy of mine who also drives, or used to drive for this company. Now he's out doing his own thing, but not a bad idea. So if you want speed and you want cleanliness, go ahead and get yourself a nice, good, operatable steam cleaner. Go around the inside of your truck. You don't have to do it as often. I choose to do it often because I also train. But it's up to you. But get yourself cleaned up. Your health you're no good without your health. If your health's not up, you can't be up. Okay, so stay safe out there. I hope this was helpful. Get out there, make some money. Stay clean. Get your ass in the shower.